my dear student. Today I will tell you how to operate that link in which your online examination has been conducted. So from tomorrow you got a link in your Google Classroom like that. This is the link given to your Google Classroom. After watching this link, you have to click on it. When you click it, then your question paper has been opened. So you have to wait for a while. Okay, now you have to first fill your name over there. Okay, like I'm going to fill my roll number, Adam, Ram. Okay, SR number, whatever SR number you have given by school, you have to fill your SR number, but it is correct, you must be no. Then you have to fill your contact number, whatever you have contact number. Please make ensure that it has 10 digits. Okay, after that write down your class, in which class, whatever class you are reading, and section. Okay, these fields are mandatory to fill, because if you don't fill these field, you are unable to submit your question paper. Okay, so now the section A, I already tell you there are three kind of section in our this question paper. First is section A, section B, section C. In section A, we will provide you MCQ, multiple choice based questions, in which you have given a question and you got 4 multiple options, through which only one you have to select it. Like this is the question given, what is the capital of India? You know what is it? It is Delhi. You select it simply. Now some questions are based on true, false, fill-ups and matching. True, false and fill-ups are similarly like this question, what is the capital of India is given, in which you got multiple option. Okay, after that some questions are based on matching, in which you have to match following. In this row, some items given there, they 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to match correct values. So suppose 1 is written as like that, 2 is this, 3 is this, 4 is this. Okay, and 5 is this. Nothing else. Okay, your question has been completed. Now come to the second point, section B. In section B, you are given short type of question in which you have to solve. They are based on either one word or you have to solve little with. Okay, like in case of Hindi and English, if they are one-liner questions, so you can able to type in this part. Okay, here you have able to write down your answer. If it is one-liner, if it is one word, you can write down only in one word. If it is like this is given, this question I have given. So what is the sum of 455 plus 45? What is it? It is 500. So simply write down 500. Okay, after that your question over. Okay, in case of Hindi, English and SST, if it is one line question, you have to simply type that answer. Nothing else required. Now one question is come in your mind, which is based on long answer. How you write down long answer? In case of long answer, section C is based on long answer. In that case, you have to do what? You just note down that particular question's answer in your notebook. Okay, and after writing down, then you keep your finger on add file. Okay, open add file. As well as you click add file option, this thing is open, like insert file, upload more. Okay, in case of upload, listen, select file option is there, this one, click it. Okay, after clicking it, what open? This one open. So now you select this option, camera. Okay, if you already take the photo in photos, then you can use this folder also, if you already click photo via your phone. Okay, otherwise click the camera option. When you click it, then this option is cleared. Listen, you simply take the picture. Okay, after clicking the picture, this option is created. Okay, now let me check one more. select it, and then what happened? It start uploading. When it is started uploading, then it become blue. Uploads button become blue when it is totally uploaded. Then now put your button on upload. It started uploading. Now it is going started. Listen, this pipe going to be filled. Okay, it is started. Still not uploaded. You have to wait for a while. Till then it is uploaded. This is, look at this. This is uploading. Wait till it is complete. Okay, after it complete, what should you do? You must watch it. Maybe your file has large memory, so it takes some time. So in case of multiple long answer, you have to first note down all answers in your copy, then click photo one by one. Don't do that after solving one question then take photo, then after another question then take photo. It takes more time. So first you are advised to complete your all long answer in your notebook. After that, click picture one by one and upload it. It save your time. If okay, now this is completed. It is uploaded. It is showing it over there. Now this upload file is showing over there. Listen, your answer is uploaded over there. So what should you do? After completion of paper, you have to do what? User must submit it. Okay, click on submit. Your exam submitted. Submit button will not work if you did not fill these fields: name, SR number, contact number, class number, section. If you did not fill these fields, then your exam paper will not submitted. So you must fill those fields, okay, before starting your paper. If you have any confusion apart from that, you can ask in Google Classroom. When you click the submit button, what happened? This is showing that your response has been recorded. It means your examination has been now over, and your result will be given after few days. Thank you.